Well, while North Bay fire victims continue to rebuild their lives, some state lawmakers are stepping in to help them deal with their insurance claims. ABC 7 News reporter Carolyn Tyler is in the newsroom with what the politicians and the industry are saying. Carolyn?
Well, Dan, one lawmaker says this package of 8 bills is not about pitting policyholders against the insurance companies, but rather making the system work better. But insurers are warning there's a cost. The wildfires dealt a double blow to some survivors, losing their homes and losing trust in their insurance companies.
Californians hard hit by these disasters should not be hung up by insurance company red tape as they rebuild their lives.
State Insurance Commissioner Dave Jones says the wildfires in the North Bay and Southern California resulted in 30,000 insurance claims, totaling $9.4 billion. Many survivors got a rude awakening when dealing with their losses, like this man we talked with in November.
I mean, I'm paying a monthly fee for my home insurance and always thinking that that will pay to rebuild my home the way it was.
The package of bills unveiled today includes a proposal extending the time to rebuild and collect full replacement costs from 24 months to 36. Another lets homeowners avoid the requirement some say forces them to relive the tragedy by itemizing every single item lost in the fires.
Allowing homeowners the option of foregoing the itemization list and instead automatically provide at least 80% of the policy limit.
That's the measure Amy Bach of the consumer insurance group United Policyholders says they'll spend the most energy trying to push through.
Some insurers are already doing what the bill would make them do, so we know that it can be done, and so we know it should be done.
Some in the insurance industry are warning of rising costs.
It's great to provide additional reforms, but we need to make sure that they're thoughtful and don't create problems such as additional costs that have to get passed on to the policyholders and may make this insurance unaffordable in these areas.
Now, most of these bills would help future disaster victims, but the measure that we discussed that would allow homeowners to settle for 80% without having to itemize their contents, that would cover the North Bay and the Thomas fires. In the newsroom, Carolyn Tyler, ABC 7 News.